everybody, I'm LEGO Separator and welcome back to another LEGO video. Today we are going to be looking at a set number 60159 from LEGO City, and it's released in 2017. So without further ado, let's get started. This set comes with two minifigures, and the first one is this general jungle explorer that we have here. So first of all, he's got this brown/tan cap over here with a little mini peg holder inside there. Having a look at his facial expression over here, we've got some dark brown eyebrows, a little red scratch mark there, and a bristly beard too. His torso has some nougat orange brown colour on the sleeves and on the main torso as well as several straps, buckles, pockets, a little radio there, little green rope slung over the shoulder, some plain dark blue trousers. Looking around over here to the back, we have more details on the back of the torso. And now minifigure number 2 is another jungle explorer over here. So first of all, she's holding this black camera that we have over here, has just a little flat tile to be a little lens on the front of the camera piece. Now, as for the minifigure itself, having a look at the torso over here, we've got a green strap going across the front. There's a little ID card over there and a little radio there as well. Now, she has some hair tied up back here, which is dark brown, and taking that off to have a closer look at her facial expression over here, we have a nice smiley face on one side, and on the other side we have an alternate face which has some beads of sweat, a little scratch mark over there. We also have a green flask at the back of the torso as well as the rest of the radio, and we have some dark blue legs. And we also get a special animal in this set, and that is this black puma, I should say, over here, or black jaguar or something like that. I suppose it is a puma because they are all black. So first of all, this puma has 2 points of articulation, like with most big animals. One here at the neck, so it can look up and it can look down, and also at the back legs, at the rear legs, so it can stand up on its back legs like so. Its legs do stick into studs, and we also have some 2 extra studs on the top of it as well, for instance, like if you want to ride the puma. Nice tufty little tail over here, and we also have some green eye print on the eyes to give it a little bit of character, a little grey nose, and a well-shaped puma. Now, as this is a jungle adventure, we have this little vehicle over here. So this is one of the vehicles. We do have another vehicle, which we'll see just soon enough. So first of all, this vehicle is fairly small. It's got orange and yellow color scheme, as well as some black accents and some dark gray accents. It's got this bright blue windscreen over here, and it has space for one minifigure on the inside. So first up, at the front over here, we have 2 headlights hanging down from this handle and clip attachment using some translucent white tiles. We also have some blue T-slopes hidden under here to be makeshift suspension. Now, the wheels themselves are 11mm grey wheel rims with these rather pumped up rubber tires over here with a little bit of grip. Now, on the front of the bonnet, we have some extra grille pieces over here, as well as some mud guards as well, set up a little bit higher than the wheels. The wheels sort of stick out of the sides, if you know what I mean. Now, over here, we have these little black rail pieces to be little steps up to the main seating area over here. Now, we have space for one minifigure on the inside with a blue steering wheel and a blue backrest over there. We don't really have any doors, we just have these armrests here on the side using some orange tiles. Of course, we have the windscreen over here. We also have some makeshift mirrors on the sides here as well, made with some clips that can be angled in different positions. Now, at the back over here, we have a little bit of a flat area to stick stuff on. We do have a crate to place on top of there, like here. This little light grey crate, which we'll have a look at the contents later on. We also have this handle at the back over here, as well as some dark red translucent element over there to be brake lights, and this handle can be used to pull a chain. We have this long dark grey chain over here that we can attach to this over here just like so, and it can pull some stuff in sticky situations. Now moving on, we also get another truck in this set. This is a slightly larger version which uses half caterpillar tracks and half regular wheels. So it's following the Jungle Explorers color scheme again, with loads of bright yellow, orange and some black accents. So dimension wise, it's about 15 centimeters in length and around 9 centimeters in height as well. So first thing at the front over here, we have this sort of cage element piece done in black to protect the front of the truck, as well as some extra little white headlights over there. We also have the front grille behind there as well, done in a sort of shiny silver color. Now on the front of the bonnet we have this sort of wedge style piece at the front, done in bright orange, and we also have some grills as well, just like our previous car truck thing, with some extra slope pieces. And we also have a tile with a sticker on it, 60159, which is the number of the set. Now over here on the sides we have these 7mm light grey large wheels with these very large chunky tires at the front. And looking over here at the front of the cab, we also have a bright blue windscreen over here with a removable roof over here. This removable roof has a sticker on it, on this special sloping piece. It's got some duct inlets, I suppose, and the Jungle Explorers logo with a leopard looking through some leaves, surrounded by a compass. And we also have some extra grill pieces on the top, perhaps some AC or something like that for the cab itself. Now on the sides over here, we have these makeshift doors using bricks with stickers plastered onto them. These, well, some simple door style stickers with, looks like handle with two-way arrow over there, just to show you that you can use the handle both ways. And we also have more of these rail pieces to be used as steps. Now, like the first truck, we also have these similar mirrors with using these clips and handles. And on the inner side of the truck, we have space for one minifigure in there. We've got a blue steering wheel at the front and a small little blue cheese slope to be our backrest. Now at the back of the cab we have some extra details. So first of all, we have these clips which hold accessories on both sides. So on this side we have this silver machete sword, and over on this side we have this little black handheld radio set. We also have the back of the cab which has some extra details. Back here we have some light blue, wait, can I take this off? Can I take this off to have a closer look? Ah, yeah. So we have some light blue panel pieces to be windows over there. We have these extra bar elements as well to lock up the sort of cage feel at the back. And at the top of these orange sloping pieces, we have some extra spotlights done with some yellow tiles instead on these clips. Now at the back over here we have the loading area, which has some decoration on the sides. We have these stickers stuck onto brick 60159 with the 9 sort of initiating a puma roaring design over there. Nice touch there. And we also have these stickers on top which have some sort of corrugated steel effects as well as some plenty of stud space at the back here too. Now at the back over here we have some translucent red elements here, here and here to be brake lights. We also have another one of those handles which can be used to pull the chain as well. And that brings us to these caterpillar tracks over here. So we have these small little caterpillar tracks that are weaved on to these large grey cogs over here which move freely. Now these do have a little bit of slippage on, for instance, like hard surfaces. They do work well on slightly rough surfaces. And that goes just about it for this truck here. Now deep in the jungle there is a hidden artifact in this little temple build over here, which is included into this set. So this is made to be, I suppose, sort of Aztec design, maybe Mayan or something like that. It's got sort of birdish style elements going on the front facade over here, stuck sideways, and up top over here as well. Now inside over here, I don't know if you can see it, on the inner side of this little construction we have a little red gem over there and a little handle. So quite naturally you'd want to pull that jewel out, but doing so activates a little action feature inside this this little temple build over here. We have one of these little red tarantulas with 8 legs and 6 eyes, 2 talons, and a pretty stylized body which can sit on a stud. That activates a little lever back here with a little paddle that just drops the spider down into this section over here, because this part is open to drop some things in, and you don't need to just use this tarantula. You can also use some other like rock pieces or anything. But anyway, speaking of the style of this thing, it's uses a lot of small sloping elements over here, as well as some extra rocky elements over here to the sides with some green leafy pieces as well. Rather nice ornate top over here with this extra gold. And moving into the back over here, you can see a little bit of more how it's working. So the main how can I say, the main flipper just slides along here. It's free sliding, and there's a little bump back here which just pushes this free flipping paddle. Now all we have left to do is to look at some of the accessories. So first of all, we have this little campfire over here. We have a little cross base plate done in brown to be the wood, and we have a little flame piece attached into the center to be a little campfire in the middle of the jungle. Now we also have this crate over here, which you've seen before, a light grey crate element piece with some accessories inside there. So first of all, we have this metal detector done in black, which can be held in a minifigure's hand, probably to look for rare gems and other treasures that can be found in the jungle. We also have some rather cookware specific items. We have this little silver frying pan over here, done in a nice shiny silver. You can just put that over there next to the campfire, and to cook on the campfire we have this piece of meat, which can be just placed into this frying pan over here and lure some predators about. But that's the end of our video, so I hope to share more in the future. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and until next time, happy building!